To the south now, where Justice Ladiran Akintola of the Ibadan State High Court has discharged and acquitted Olori Naomi Silekunola, Oriyomi Hamzat and Abdullahi Fassasi, who were accused of organizing the December 18, 2024 Funfair that resulted in the deaths of over 30 minors at Islamic High School Bashorun. The acquittal follows an out-of-court settlement. Here's the latest in this report.
December 18, 2024 will be etched in the memories of grieving families. They lost their loved ones in a tragic incident at a Yuletide Funfair, which claimed the lives of over 30 children. Following the devastating tragedy, which drew widespread criticisms, 3 organizers of the event were remanded in prison custody. The Oyo State government was adamant that they had to be held responsible for their roles in the shoddy planning of the event. Counsel to the first and third defendants who spoke with newsmen said parties to the suit had reached an amicable resolution in the pursuit of justice.
We are all concerned with the death of those young children, and we are looking for a way to close it so that while you are the day-to-day trial will not continue to give the families, the parents, the kind of sadness that they will be thinking about it. So asking them to offering them a kind of little assistance. I will not call it compensation. We cannot compensate for life. Offering them a kind of little assistance is not out of place.
Oriyomi Hamzat in particular is not a person that is found wanting of any criminal liability. And of course, even before now, we tried to engage them to show them the reasons why Oriyomi Hamzat in particular is innocent of all the allegations levied against them. But notwithstanding that, having charged them to court, upon series of consultations and meetings, they eventually realized that they didn't have any reason prosecuting them.
In a chat with newsmen, media personality Oriyomi Hamzat gave details of events leading to the tragic incident and the lessons learned.
You are being scared because I find myself here because I'm doing good, but I'm going back there. That means you should not run away. You should be doing it, because if you are running away because I am experiencing this, you may be thinking that, okay, because of what Oriyomi has experienced, I will not do it. But this same Oriyomi is going back there. He's doing it again. That means you don't need to run away. All what you need to do is just to do the needful.
Commissioner for Justice and Attorney General in Oyo State explained that the case was struck out by the court to assuage the feelings of relatives of those affected by the tragedy. The victims' families, he said, had also been duly compensated.
There was an unfortunate incident in December that led to the death of some young Nigerians. And you see, in law, whenever death occurs in circumstances considered unnatural, the law will take its course. So the state responded by filing charges against persons, implicated in the investigation. And in the course of doing that, we actually wanted to prosecute, but the affected persons showed empathy. They showed compassion.
The tragic incident of December 18 has once again raised concerns about safety measures put in place at public events. The onus is on government to put in place viable mechanisms to protect vulnerable parts of the population, especially children.